Yo, what's going on? Hey, let me put y'all on game. Y'all see what's going on? I had a customer hit me up say, "Hey man, I need that Southside touch. Can you bring me back to life?" I said, "You know what? I got you. No problem." As you can see, man, bumper is really busted. Need new impact strips and everything. Hey, he said he need the whole touch. He need the whole enchilada done. I said, "Hey man, I'm finna bring you back to life, bro. Just like that. Showroom floor." As you can see, man, that chrome is popping. That milky chrome is popping. That's what we do. Hey, if you need anything done to your box Chevy, far as making your chrome stand out, hit me up, man. I got you. Hit me up right now. Instagram, Southside Imports. Let's go.